Hello, this is Maciek the Diligent Linguist. In the last video, I showed you how to try and connect words in your mind by finding relations between their respective meanings and building simple, sometimes funny or even silly stories. What if you are not in the mood to take notes, draw, let alone come up with ideas for stories? Well, remember that apart from meaning, every word has a form. The spoken one and the written one. Recently, a person on Reddit commented, "Hey, how about tagging words that are similar to English? Could you add that to your product? Wouldn't that help us learn faster?" And I did find that idea really cool. But in fact, we can try and find patterns every day while we're learning foreign languages. Let's have a look, for the last time, at the 15 nouns that people learn on their very first day with my flashcard deck, Polish app. 40% of these words contain the letter A, pronounced A in the first syllable. Pan, Mr, pani, Mrs. or Miss, pa, by, raz, once, one time, czas, time, kraj, country or land. You may also notice the rhyming pattern between raz and czas. And remember from our previous video that both words are related to the concept of time. Next, we've got 6 words, so another 40% of nouns that contain the letter O pronounced O. Rok, year, sok, juice, sauce, sauce, dom, house, home, kod, code, pora, time of the day or season of the year. Again, there is a rhyme between rok and sok. We are left with just 3 nouns, each of which features the E letter pronounced E, as in elephant. Dzień, day, bilet, ticket, and ser, meaning cheese. Now the E sound will be a tiny bit different in the word dzień, as it's going to be influenced by the preceding soft J sound, a softer, more closed version of J as in Jack. The E in dzień doesn't sound as open as in, for example, ser, but we can use it to our advantage. Form is not only about spelling, it's also, if not mostly, about sound. Dzień, dzień, dzień. The word, it feels like ringing a little bell, perhaps to wake somebody up. In the case of the word bilet, meaning ticket, we can also observe some similarity in terms of pronunciation with the English equivalent. 2 syllables, bilet, ticket, the final T in both words, and the general arrangement of speech sounds, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. But look at the spelling. Both letters indicating the vowel sounds are the same, and in the same order. The last one, the word ser, meaning cheese. Now, can you imagine people saying ser while posing for a photo? Well, to me, it sounds ridiculous. And such silly, funny associations may sometimes help you remember things better. Okay, another idea. How would you say there is cheese in Polish? The simplest way would be to say jest ser. But the T sound, squeezed between the 2 S sounds, well, it's often inaudible. You just can't hear it. As a result, we hear yes sir. Sounds funny, doesn't it? And that's it. Thank you for watching my video until the end. In the next episode, I'm going to share with you some hints regarding pronunciation. I have recently asked Facebook users about Polish words that they had found difficult to learn, And the main problem was almost always the Polish pronunciation. I will try to offer some help on that topic. Until then, please don't forget to learn Polish and try not to miss a single day while revising vocabulary. Do zobaczenia!